The circus skills workshops have started strong with Jamie and Gina from Stiklings circus education along with visually impaired Aerialist, Karina, showing students how to sit and rotate on a low-level aerial ring and guiding him across a low-level slack line. Here's Anna rotating in the aerial ring. Jack sits and steadily turns in the aerial ring. Mimi treads cautiously as she crosses the slack line. It looks like Robin's breakdance skills transfer well as she easily sits inside the aerial ring. Maddie gives the aerial ring a try. Mimi cautiously sits and spins the aerial ring. Raven shows no fear, spinning like a pro. Mo cautiously takes a walk on the slack line. Look, no hands. Maddie walks the slack line. Robin spins and spins and spins and spins before the big top curtains close.